Hey guys, so this video is a heads up for the teardown of this 2019 6.7. I was talking to you guys a little bit about it. I wanted to do a live stream of tearing this down. Just something different, try something different. I am going to do a versus video, so to be this engine versus the earlier engine, so we can see the differences, but that'll be a separate video. I'm going to do a teardown video of this. So I just wanted you guys to know that it was coming. So I will be doing it. I don't know what the date is on Thursday. I'm going to be doing it this Thursday. I'll put the date in here because I honestly don't know what the date is. It'll be the mid-May. Anyways, I'll put the date right here. And it will be, I'm going to start at 5 o'clock my time, which is Mountain Daylight Savings Time. So to give you guys a reference, I usually drop videos at 5 p.m. my time is when I usually drop videos. So that gives you a reference or whatever, or you can look it up. Like I said, I'll do a, what do they call that? So like a premiere thing or whatever they call it. So you guys will be able to, you'll see it, it'll pop up before it actually comes live. So it'll be this Thursday at 5 p.m. my time, which is Mountain Daylight Savings Time. So stay tuned. If you guys want to watch that, I will be videoing that. I don't know if you guys ask questions. I got to figure that out, how I can go back and look at it. I'm sure I can. I probably just need to go on YouTube and do it. But if you guys ask questions, I might bring my laptop, so I might be able to kind of keep an eye on a little bit, but obviously I'll be tearing it apart, and I don't believe that anybody will be here with me. If I have somebody here with me to help, then maybe I can get them to watch and listen, or watch for questions, and then I can answer them while I'm ripping it apart or whatever. I just don't know if anybody is able to come and give me a hand. So stay tuned for that. Like I said, it'll be this Thursday at 5 p.m. my time. All right, that'll be it for this one. Stay tuned and see you in the next one. And remember, it's not rocket science.